Today we're going to be making the Heavenly Hibiscus Martini. It's going to be slightly tart along with a little bit of spicy floral, if that makes any sense. Today we are going to be making it and building it together, and then we're going to rate it at the very, very end, but stick around and hopefully you enjoy the cocktail. We're going to start with half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, followed by 0.75 ounces of hibiscus syrup. Ooh, just a smidgy poo more. Come on. There we go. Make it to the line. Then 0.75 ounces of orange liqueur. And then to finish off, we're going to do 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of vodka. Whoa. I make mess all the time, I tell you what.
You do.
All right. And then we are going to fill our shaker tin up with ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until the shaker tin is ice cold in our hands. Huh?
Baby shoes.
Ignore the baby shoes. Pop Joe. No. All right, we did use fresh squeezed lime juice, so we are going to be using our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer for this one. I've got my martini glass all ready to go, and we strain away. Look at the gorgeous color. To the brim. All right, and then, because I can, and because my husband is extremely extra, I'm going to use these ungodly large tongs. To finish off our cocktail, we use the ungodly large tongs.
Oh,
That's how that works. See, that's why you don't get ungodly large tongs.
there you go.
For God's sakes. Almost had a naughty word. All right, so there we have the Heavenly Hibiscus Martini. Let me give this a quick taste before I spill it everywhere. Oh, excuse me. You get a hint of the lime, but the hibiscus is definitely what kind of shows through the most. But it's not like floral. It's kind of hard to describe, to be 100% honest with you. It's a very, very distinct flavor, but it's like Dr. Pepper. You don't know how to explain it. It's just Dr. Pepper. So it's very hibiscusy, but it's very light. It's very simple, very easy to drink. I gotta taste it one more time because science. Yeah, it's just got like this like slightly earthy, like florally flavor, but other than just hibiscus, like that's all I got. I mean, you get the citrus, you get the lime. All right, so now we're gonna rate it. Okay, so 5 stars, 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. I think I'm gonna rate this one. This is kind of hard. I think I'm gonna go with, oh geez. I'm gonna go with a 3.75 out of 5. The reason being because it is a very unique flavor. If I were to go to a bar or restaurant and get this cocktail, I would be very intrigued by it. I don't think I would get a second one though. It's light, it's easy to drink, but I think it's just far enough out there of a flavor that it's just not something that people are going to just like readily drink all the time. So that's where I'm sticking with 3.75 out of 5. But I hope you guys enjoy the cocktail. Make sure cocktail ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build it along with me. I hope you guys stuck around for my rating. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully, you're enjoying the channel because I'm having a lot of fun making these cocktails for you guys. Until the next pour, cheers!